Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. If you have to put a bunch of names on name badges or name tags and you don't know how to use print merge or imposition layout, which I've done it a couple of times, but by the time I could have had this done, I could be through. So all I did was take a rectangle about the size of my box, but smaller because I don't want it to go all the way to the name box. And then I can use this same position for all these names, short ones, long ones, and it's going to fill up that box. We're going to use the envelope tool. So I'm going to go to effects in envelope, and I'm going to pick my name, and I'm going to go create an envelope for them. And then I'm going to go ahead and do them all since I'm right here and see what it's doing. It's going to put those names into that size of that box. Now that might not be your preference, but in a way it's kind of neat. So then you could take Doug Smith, hold down the shift key and hit that, EC. Robert Hayden, hold down the shift, EC. Ben Arlt, hold down the shift, EC. A small name, Ted Blue, envelope form from Ted Blue. And then you could go shift and put it in that box, and I'm going EC or CE. Now you can name, the TED is bigger, but it's more visible for the patrons to be watching. Robert Hayden's a longer name. So by the time you do this and try to do print merge, so I've got that one. So you want to select the name first, then shift select the box, and then go hit EC RCE. So this time I'll do the opposite. So we're using that same envelope form, but you have to have that selected and go to your anchor. And this time I'm going to go CE and put it in there. So if somebody emails you names, you don't have to rewrite them. That way the spelling is on them. And by the time you get this, let's see, this is 30 name badges. You could be done by the time you figured out print merge. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.